everyone! Today we are going to study countable and uncountable nouns. Things you can count are called countable nouns, and things you cannot are called uncountable nouns. There are two types of countable nouns, singular and plural. For a singular noun like a banana or an onion, you put a or un to show that the object is one. For plural nouns, put s at the end of the noun, like 6 bananas or 2 onions, to show there's more than one. Uncountable nouns are things that often don't have an exact shape. These are things like liquid, bread, and meat, or natural materials like wood and gold. Since they are not used in plural or singular forms, you can leave out the articles a or un to say that there is just one, and don't add an s to say there's more than one. However, if you want to say exactly how much of something you have, you can put a quantifier before the noun. For example, put a bottle of before water to say a bottle of water. Let's take a look at uncountable nouns that are used with quantifiers. To say how much bread you have, you say loaf for a very large piece of bread, so a loaf of bread. If that loaf is cut into pieces, you can call the piece a slice of bread. Use the quantifier bottle for a bottle of milk, and glass for a glass of water. Please study other quantifiers on the chart. Let's review today's lesson.